Welcome to GK at Amostri. Who gave the slogan of Inquilab Zindabad? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Maulana Azad Mohani. D. Maulana Hazrat Mohani. And he is an Urdu poet and freedom fighter. First introduced the slogan Inquilab Zindabad in 1921. However, Bhagat Singh popularized the slogan through his speeches. Which country does the Red River flows? A. Vietnam, B. Russia, C. China, D. Japan. A. Vietnam, and also Red River is the principal river of northern Vietnam. It rises in central Yunnan province, southern West China, and flows southeast in a deep, narrow gorge across the Tonkin region through Honai to enter Gulf of Tonkin after the course of 750 miles. Which of the following operating system does not implement the multitasking? A. Windows 98, B. Windows NT, C. Windows XP, D. MS-DOS. D. MS-DOS. And multitasking is an operating system is allowing user to perform more than one computer task at a time by without losing information. And also, MS-DOS does not implement the multitasking. What invention caused many deaths while testing it? A. Dynamite, B. Ladders, C. Race course, D. Parachute. D. Parachute. And many people who tried to test the first parachute died by jumping from high places. And also, the first successful parachute was tested from hot air balloons in 1797 in France by Jacques Garnerin. Professor Amartya Sen is famous in which of the fields? A. Biochemistry, B. Electronics, C. Economics, D. Geology. C. Economics. And also, Professor Amartya Sen is famous for his work in economics and he is known for his contribution to welfare economics, social choice theory, and the economics of famines. And also, he is a Nobel Prize winner and recipient of Bharat Ratna, India's highest honor. Which is the first country in the world to provide delivery through drone? A. India, B. Greece, C. Australia, D. Spain. C. Australia. And Google started its first drone delivery service in Canberra, Australia in 2019, and The Wing is a drone delivery company Google owned by its parent company. It delivers pharmacy, coffee, hardware tools, etc. from local shops. Wings is aiming to increase goods and reduce traffic. Where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. Jaipur, B. Chennai, C. Kolkata, D. Amritsar. D. Amritsar. And Jallianwala Bagh massacre is also known as Amritsar massacre, was a violent event took place on 13th April 1919 in Amritsar, Punjab by British. The massacre occurred when the British troops opened fire on crowd protest at Jallianwala Bagh, killing and injuring many people. Deficiency of which vitamin causes hair turn to grey? A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin B, D. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin B. And also vitamin B is important for hair growth and pigmentation. When there is a deficiency, hair follicles can become unnutrized, leading hair loss and premature graying. And also to get vitamin B from food like meats, dairy products and fortified cereals. Which disease is caused by smoking cigarettes? A. Smallpox, B. Cancer, C. Malaria, D. TB. B. Cancer. Additionally, smoking can cause over 10 types of cancer, including lung, colon, cervix, liver, stomach, and pancreatic cancer. When was the first human heart transplant operation conducted? A. 1958, B. 1922, C. 1967, D. 1969. C. 1967, and also the first human heart transplant operation was conducted by Dr. Christian Barnard on 3rd December 1967 in Cape Town, South Africa. And also the patient was Louise Woskansky, a 54 years old grocer who suffered from chronic heart disease. Hanoi is the capital city of which country? A. Israel, B. Sweden, C. Jamaica, D. Vietnam. D. Vietnam. And also Hanoi city, capital of Vietnam. The city is situated in northern Vietnam on the western bank of Red River, about 85 miles inland from South China Sea. Which planet has most number of rings in solar system? A. Saturn, B. Uranus, C. Neptune, D. Mars. A. Saturn. And also Galileo Galilei first observed Saturn's rings in 1610, but Christian Huygens was the first to accurately describe them in a disk in 1655. Which is the most richest country in the world? A. India, B. America, C. Luxembourg, D. Russia. C. Luxembourg is the richest country in the world. By Luxembourg's wealth comes from its strong financial service sector and its strategic location in Central Europe. The country is known for its high standard of living, free public transportation, and the highest minimum wage in the world. Which is the most expensive fruit in the world? A. Dragon fruit, B. Watermelon, C. Uberry melon, D. muskmelon. C. Uberry melon. And also Uberry King melon were named after the city of Uberry in Japan is one of the most expensive fruit in the world, and it's grown in Japan in a greenhouse and is known for its sweetness and flavor. The fruit is sold in small quantities and it's hard to find local shops in supermarkets. And also the price of Uberry King melon was approximately 24 lakh. Which is the deepest place present on the earth? A. Dead Sea, B. Molly Deep, C. Tonga Trench, D. Mariana Trench. D. Mariana Trench is the deepest known point on Earth is the Challenger Deep, which is located in the Mariana Trench in the West Pacific Ocean. And also the Challenger Deep is 36,070 feet below the sea level. What is the currency name of Canada? A. Rupee, B. Dollar, C. Euro, D. Pound. B. Dollar. And also the Canadian dollar is the 11th strongest currency in the world. Which mountain is known as the roof of the world? A. Mount Everest, B. Pamir, C. Himalayas, D. Andes. B. Pamir. And also the Pamir mountain is known as roof of the world because most of the mountains that radiate from over 4,000 meters in height and Pamir mountain are located within the Tajikistani province of Gorno-Badakhshan. Which tree in the world has the lightest wood? A. Goa, B. Balsa, C. Neem, D. Ashoka. B. Balsa. The balsa tree has the lightest wood of any tree in the world, and also balsa wood is soft, strong and float well. It is also good insulator against heat, cold, vibration and electricity. And balsa tree are native in the tropical rainforest of Central and South America from southern Mexico to Bolivia. In which country was the playing of cards invented? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. Canada. B. China, and the exact country of origin of playing card is uncertain, but they were likely invented in China during Tang Dynasty in 9th century. Which country's government gives award for having maximum child? A. Russia, B. China, C. Kazakhstan, D. England. C. Kazakhstan is the country that award medals to mother for having more children, and mothers receive silver medal for having 6 children and gold medal for having 7 or more children. In addition to the medal, the government also provide an allowance to the medal holders. answer for lost video was Meghalaya. And Mawsyndram is a district in Meghalaya, holds the record for highest rainfall in India, receiving an astonishing 11,872 mm of rain each year. The video is available on iQOO. World's largest temple is located in which country? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.